What's going on, you legends? Welcome back to another Nonstopfillets video. Today we're going to weigh out the Mulloway I just caught on this 1 to 2 kilo noodle rod by Insult Fishing. This rod can bend, can catch massive fish, small fish. So it's 1 to 2 kilo. This has got 15-pound braid with 10-pound leader. I actually have a snelled rig made with 80-pound. So it's got a bit of stretch when we get on, but yeah. We'll weigh it up and then you can watch the fight. So it's pushing 13 kilo. I don't know if you can see that. Oop. Just under 13 kilo, I think. 12 and a half, 13. That's bled. Not bad effort. A little noodle rod. Goes to show you what you can catch on small little rods. Makes it super fun too. So yeah, enjoy. You.
A noodle rod. Oh no. Oh. Boy, that's a horse.
Oh, what is it? Yes.
Oh. Hey, I called it. It said we need to put a floater out and all we had was a noodle rod spare.
Oh. Has this only just hit the bottom? Damn, I got only...
Good luck.
Oh, it's only 15 pounds.
What do you reckon it is? It's going to be either a Mulloway or a snapper.
It has to be, man. Look at the head shakes on it. I don't even think it hit the ground. Well, 10 kilos of drag on this little reel though. It's
just going to be a long fight. Good luck.
There's not much structure here. Where's the next pole?
Oh, it's probably nearly there though. And that thing is running.
Oh mate.
We're going to be chasing this down. They snapper kicks.
Oh, head kick though.
Yeah. This is hilarious.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, we got some action.
Yeah, I got a hook up.
On the noodle rod.
I'm getting a run and a half here.
So this noodle rod, was it? 1 to 3 kilo?
Yeah, 1 to 3 kilo. Got a lot of line on it. Oh mate, this is not... Oh, what is it?
It's not really snapperish, eh?
I hope it's a Mulloway.
I hope it's a Mulloway.
Imagine just getting a wicked mully on the noodle.
That'd be ridiculous. It is running long.
Yeah. But why does it have to take the noodle? Just to add to the suspense of it all, eh?
Got three rods, bottom bash.
That's a reel. You're running 15 down here.
3 rods on the bottom. I thought, should get something floating.
It's
got a second wind.
Mate, it's got wicked head shakes too.
This hasn't stopped, bro. Are we pulling this anchor?
Oh, do we?
It'd be pretty epic.
Where's that? Like,
I mean, you still got like 200 meters of line. It's not stopping, eh?
Where's the marker? There's a lot of line on here, but
it is not stopping.
Nah, it's not stopping at all.
Non-stopping.
Oh yeah, Pull your lines up, boys.
All right.
This is gonna be a fight.
Should get my phone out and film it out.
Yeah, we on here good. You. It's only, the anchor's not that far. How deep? It's only 10 metres, bro.
I'm just going to quickly bit on my phone here.
Oh, it could be
A ray.
Could be.
This thing has been running for about 3 or 4 minutes straight, and it's on the noodle rod.
Where's it going? Hurry up,
We're
man.
pulling the anchor and
Come
chasing
on,
it
we gotta
down.
go. Come on, let's go.
I think we got our rods up.
We got to, man. We've got to. We've got to run. We got to chase this, mate. Hurry up, Bunyip.
Right.
Film him. Film him. Get the anchor quick. Yeah, he's getting the anchor. Go. Oh man,
Yeah,
it's actually really good head shape, bro. This possibly could be. Don't know. Could be. Still running. Running fast too. Oh, I'm down to the backing, bro. Hurry up. I think you might turn around. Oh, I got my braid back on. Yes, I got my braid back on, boy. Oh, let's go. Oh, I got a feeling it's not a raid. Oh man, can you? Where's this? Yeah. Just reverse. You reverse that way. We got no swell to worry about, so you just keep chucking, just keep it in reverse for a bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I can't keep up. This is good. This is good, real fucking good.
I can't fucking. How's that?
Slow down, Cody, chuck in neutral. No, that way, that way, that way. What is this? If this is a silver ghost, bro.
it'll be so fucking good.
Are you in neutral?
Yeah.
Yeah. Slide it, like I said, bro. Slide it. It goes in the long shackle, Bunyip.
I'm waiting for you.
It's gonna come up in the chest area.
Oh, wait for another run.
Couple of head shakes here. Where's Bunyip, boy?
He's still trying to get your anchor done.
Oh, I think it is, boys.
It is.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'll help.
Get the camera.
I'll come around to Granny.
I think this is a Mulloway bone, looks long.
Try to get that one, John.
Here it comes.
Yeah, it is, boys. It is.
Oh, boy.
Head first.
Oh.
Head first.
Head first, Cranny. Take
Get
it
him
down.
out, get him out.
Take it down. Yeah.
Yeah, scoop him up. We got him.
Yes!
Oh!
On the noodle! Yes! Oh, yes!
What a horse, boy!
Yes, boy! Yes!
On camera!
Oh, yeah, boy! That's a horse! Woo! I can't believe it!
On the noodle
On
rod!
the-
Wait, put the rod next to this fish and let everyone see how ridiculous this is.
Yeah, look, 1 to 2 kilo, 2 to 8 gram weight, and it's got a snap tip. And it's only, yeah, I've got a 15-pound line. With I think it's only
That thing ran its life out.
I think it's only got 15-pound leader, but
Wow. We have to get it up. We have to go back over there. And I'm going to be float baiting.
Shit.
That is sick,
Oh,
bro.
mate,
That is sick.
oh, I can't believe it, man. This is weighty, man.
Yeah, boy.
Yes. Oh.
I'll get a photo too.
Oh, yeah, on the scoots. Oh, he's not happy. He's not happy. He's not happy at all.
Look at the size of this thing.
Well, this is what we came here for.
Yeah, bloody oath.
On a noodle rod.
Shit. That's killer.
Happy days, man. This is how we do it.
You non-stop.
Those are mullies, boys. On noodle rods. 1 to 2 kilo, 15-pound line. Oh,
Epic.
that is a heavy fish. Oh.
How bloody good. 1 to 3 kilo rod.
Yes. Yeah, boy.
We done it. We done it.
I'm celebrating.
Woo. Righto, we're going to ice this baby, put it out, and we're going to try for another one. We'll see how we go. But yeah. Woo. That's what we come for. Cockburn Sound Silver Ghost.
It's non-stop yet.
$1.15 on the bunyip brag mat.
Oh, yes.
Crack the metery.
Yes. Let's hold up one more time. Ready? Straight up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Non-stop.
Non-stop Mulloway. I got the ghost. So if you made it this far, wasn't a bad fight for a little 1 to 2 kilo noodle rod. Finesse Explorer by Insult. So yeah, not bad what these little rods can do. So grab yourself one, have some fun, tight lines, good times. Catch you later.